make $5,000 every month by doing advert videos for brands with AI for free. Something like
Heidi's
this.
outfit is available in our shop in all size.
That's
Yes,
an
I
AI
am an
model
AI model,
created
not
by
real.
me. I actually took the photo of the dress, then I got the picture, then I created the video. I actually made the model talk. So it's a step by step, right? Hi, my name is Wokobuchi. On social media, I teach you how to monetize the social media platforms, how to work with AI, how to grow on social media, and teach you the latest AI tools. So this one today is going to make you earn a lot of money. And if you're a UGC creator, come closer. Food is ready for you. If you're a business person, you sell products, come closer. Food is ready for you, because you don't need to pay live models anymore. You don't need to pay photographers, videographers. No, you don't need to rent studios anymore. You can do this yourself. And if you're a business person or you have business mind like me, because I work with brands, by doing so, and the brands actually know it is AI that I'm using, because I tell them, you don't lie to your brands, okay? You tell your brands you're using AI models. Yes. So all you need to do is tell your brand or your companies to send you pictures of their product, be it skincare products, clothes, shoes, anything at all, wigs. Let them send you the pictures. Once they send you these pictures, you turn these pictures into videos, and then you make these pictures, these videos talk. Advert video ready and set. You can actually be a page manager, a business manager for a brand, for a business. Look around you, any local business. Just tell them you want to be their videographer and photographer to do advert videos for them, and you're good to go. Let's go into the video. Let me teach you how you can make money easy peasy, okay, with your phone for free, because these AI tools are for free. Yes, for free.
Guys, the first thing you do is you go to Pinterest, okay? It's either you go through the Pinterest app or you go through your browser. So here I'll be going through my browser. I'll click, and this is my Pinterest app. Like, this is the Pinterest, sorry, not the app, but this is the Pinterest that I've gone through my browser, right? Please register on this app. If you're not on Pinterest yet, register. That's the name up there. Pinterest, okay? Or Pinterest. Register on Pinterest. When you're done registration, you come down here and you click on the search bar. So after clicking on the search bar, just type any kind of outfit of your choice. So I'll be typing summer outfit, okay? I'll just say summer outfit. So depending on what you want, type out. If it's spring, if it's summer, if it's winter, just type them out. Now I'll click on search on the search bar and I'll search. Now you have different types of summer outfits on Pinterest, different ones. But what I would advise you to do is, when you're choosing outfit from Pinterest that you want to use, make sure you choose like these ones. The ones without, the ones without models, okay? Just these ones without models. So you click on them and you save. Yeah, you click and you save. So you're saving this and saving it to your profile too. So I'll just click on the images and save. I look for what I want. Let's see some other one. So we'll actually get different outfits because we need to use them, right? So I'm taking different outfits right now. I'll pick out different ones. Let's go. Let's go. Let me get some. Let me go for winter. Let me see. Winter outfit. Let's see what they give out here. Okay. The hairstyle. I don't want the hairstyle, so I'll just take this one. Save. When you're done taking your pictures from the Pinterest or Google itself, you can get them from Google. When you're done, these pictures will be saved into your gallery, like so. Okay. Now the next thing to do is to go to ChatGPT. Now ChatGPT have a new model that they just released, and this ChatGPT is actually very, very good for you guys to use. Now what you need to do is, once you get here, you click on the plus button down here. You can see the plus button. You click on the plus button. Now they'll ask you to bring in a photo or use your camera. I'll go to your file. I'll click on photos. It takes me to those photos that I just downloaded from Pinterest, right? Now I'll take the first image, then I add. So once you take the first image and you add, please let me know you understand. A lot of people say I talk too fast. So I'm trying to do this slowly, okay? Now, once you add in your image, you can see there your image is there, right? Now, where it says message, I'll click on the message and I'll type, okay? I'll say create me a dark skin model, a dark skin model. Okay? Create me a dark skin model wearing that outfit in the picture above. Okay. So the dark skin model, if you want to describe a dark skin model, you can say a dark skin model with long curly hair. Let's use long curly hair. Long curly hair. Make it, at least you want to get something out of, the model you're creating. So there. Now, when you're done doing this, you click on the tick here, the plus here, the arrow going up. You click on that arrow and then you wait for ChatGPT to create this model for you. So now ChatGPT says getting started. So we need to wait for a while this load. Please, if you've watched till now, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, and don't forget to comment in the comment section. The next AI tool you want me to teach you. Now, what I'll tell you is these outfit pictures, you can get them from Google, you can get them from Pinterest, you can get them from Instagram, and again, you can still create this outfit by yourself with AI, which means you have your own, you personalize your own. And if you are a business person, take pictures of your item one after each. You put them on one picture. If you don't know how to do that, comment in the comment section how to put all your images on one picture and come use them here. I'll show you how to do it. So you all see this is the result we have, right? This result is perfect. Her skin is good. The model is classic. The model is beautiful. So just imagine this. The only problem here is the boots. They cut out the legs, which I was supposed to actually mention that a full body photo. Okay. Now again here, if there's some certain things you don't want, you can take them out. I'll show you guys just in a minute. Now I'll go back and I click again the plus here. Once I click the plus, I click on photo again. Then I'll take in another outfit. Okay. So let's have this one. Let's have this outfit, bring it in. And then tell ChatGPT to create. Okay, guys, so this is the other outfit. You can see this. That's the outfit, and this is the result. Now let's go to create this model into videos for you, okay? For your page. I'll click on the model and I click on save image. Once I click on save image, if there was anything here, you click on select. You click on select the thing. I don't know, whatever thing like that. You click on it and then you click on delete, okay? That will be removed. You just write this, remove the handbag. The handbag will be removed. Do you get? So now there is nothing here to remove. I'll just cancel that, okay? Now I'll go back. The next app we'll be going on to now is the Holo AI, okay? App is the Holo AI. This is how it looks like. Holo AI. I don't know how it's pronounced. And again, the app name is still called Minimax. So you can type Minimax or you type this Holo AI up here. That's the name of the app, please. You all will be like, oh, where did you put the name? That's the name up there, okay? And I'll link everything in the description box. The link of the app and the link of ChatGPT as well. I'll link it down. Now, when you get to this Holo AI, what you need to do is you click the plus button here. There's this plus button. You click the plus button. So once you click the plus button, it says click to upload an image. I'll click and then click on photos and it will take me to my gallery. Now, this is the picture I just generated. I'll click on it and I'll click on done. Now here, unleash your creativity. I'll just type, make the model walk around and smile to model to model for the dress. For the outfit, sorry, for the outfit. Okay. So there. So after typing that, you come down here. You see your 30 coins. You're using it for free. This app is free, please. Okay? You can use it for free. Now you come here and you click on that 30 and then you wait. Now, down here, you can see just above 30, just a little bit above 30, you see there, one job in query. You click on there. When you click here, this is your image processing into a video. Okay? So it takes time. It takes like sometimes 5 minutes, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, sometimes 30 minutes. It depends on how many people are generating on the app. So they're asking us to wait for 4 minutes, right? Yeah. So these 4 minutes, I'll just do it off camera, then I'll show you all the results. So guys, our first model is ready, right? So I'll click I'll click on here, and you see that? So you can actually make your pictures move very easy for you to just advertise one of your outfits. You put a picture, you put a video. If you want, just take this to CapCut, add music, or if you want, just duplicate it on CapCut and make it longer than 6 minutes, 6 seconds, and then you have your model ready. That's it. So you can come here and change your models from pictures to videos, and it's gonna be very easy for you. Okay? So yeah, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, and don't forget to comment. If you don't know how to duplicate your videos on CapCut or put your videos together and add music on CapCut, let me know in the comment section and I'll reply you with a video. Of course, I reply my comments with videos if it's something I need to explain to them. So ciao, ciao. Bye, guys.